Tired of late fees and payment headaches when paying your Fairstone for Best Buy bill online? Well, stick around because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to walk you through the foolproof way to pay your Fairstone for Best Buy bill online, ensuring you avoid any unnecessary stress and keep your credit score happy. First things first, head over to the Fairstone website. I'll put a direct link down in the description for easy access. Once you are there, you will want to log in using your Fairstone online account credentials. If you haven't registered yet, now's the time to do so. You will typically need your account number and some personal information to get started. Alright, you're logged in. Now, navigate to the payments section. Fairstone typically accepts a variety of payment methods including debit cards, credit cards like Visa or MasterCard, and even online banking transfers. Double-check which options are available to you. Select your preferred method and carefully enter the required payment details. This usually includes your card number, expiry date, CVV, or your online banking information. Pay extra attention to the amount you're paying and the payment date to avoid any errors. Before submitting, review all the details one last time. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit that submit button. You should receive a confirmation number or a receipt on the screen. Save this, or even take a screenshot for your records. You can also usually view your payment history to confirm that the payment has been successfully processed. If you encounter any issues, like a declined payment, don't panic. Contact Fairstone's customer service right away. Their contact information can typically be found on their website. Protip set up payment reminders or even schedule automatic payments to avoid missing deadlines altogether, and that's it. Following these steps will help you pay your Fairstone for Best Buy bill online with confidence and ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips.